Hello, I'm Katie here in Vanlife Customs shop in Denver, Colorado. We are sitting inside right now a 158 ProMaster 2021, and we actually have 5 of these units available in partnership with our friends over at Romeo.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access a community all building their own vans at the same time.
Romeo built these with the idea that they want a hotel room anywhere in the world. This seat is great because you can turn around and we have this little lagoon table which swivels and stores away. The passenger seat rotates as well, a full 180, and it has this little flip-up counter extension. And above us you will see that there's a 12-volt fresh air evaporative cooler. Not quite as efficient as like your home AC unit, but it does a great job in drier climates of bringing the temp down by about 20 degrees inside your van. And the cool thing is, from the passenger swivel, if you flip up this countertop extension, you have a little workspace or an eating space as well. And now we are at the sliding door kitchenette, and that handy dandy workspace that we saw for the passenger swivel actually works now as a countertop extension for cutting vegetables or doing dishes. This removes for another cutting board. The faucet drops down, and you could also potentially rinse out the side of it. On the outside is another drop-down table, and then underneath the sink, where you would expect normally to find water, we have fire extinguisher, water filter, battery monitor, inverter controller, evaporative cooler fill-up, and the heater. Not the heater itself, the heater controller. The heater itself is actually underneath this raised step. All right, and next to the kitchenette we have this nice wide bench. There is a flip-up counter for an extra little bit of usable space. Below me in this bench is actually a cassette toilet where you can access the cassette from inside as well as outside the van, and a little room for toilet paper and other things as well. And across from me is the shower, but Romeo can actually convert that into another little bench to make this a dinette. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, no additional charge. Across from the bench you will see we have this shower. And just so you know, I'm 6 feet tall and I can stand comfortably in the shower. We have the on-off controller over here, and the temperature setting is controlled here. We have 22 gallons of fresh water in this system. So once you're ready to hop in the shower, hang the head here, and then this wraps all the way around. Pretty nice. Across from the kitchenette, we have this large storage area with the bar so you can hang up any shirts or things that don't need to be wrinkled, or a pantry for all of your food items, which is very nice. And then we have a microwave, which is great. You turn on your inverter, and people think they consume lots and lots of energy, but think if you're only running this for about 45 seconds, you're pretty good to go. Then below that, we have our isotherm drawer fridge. Nice room for condiments or little bottled goods back there. And then actually it has a little freezer right here, which is nice for any Ben & Jerry's or items like that on the road. All right, and in the back of the bed we have a short queen fixed bed. Underneath is tons of room in the garage for storage. That's why they built it up high and fixed. On this side we have no cabinet so that you don't bang your head. And then over on this side we have upper cabinets with some marine hardware so it doesn't open up, making it a nice, cozy, efficient place to sleep. And the bed has a max air fan above it for those nice hot nights when you need a little bit of ventilation. And now we have the garage, which is pretty awesome that it has this huge pull-out tray for all of your gear, your bikes, extra cooking supplies, anything you need, and you don't have to crawl all the way back in your van to get it, which is awesome. And then over on this side, just in case one shower wasn't enough, there is an outdoor shower. This is going to be your fill port with the hose that comes with a little water filter on that as well. Super nice. Over here is going to be the electrical system, and in that electrical system is 200 amp hours of Renogy lithium battery, a 2000 watt inverter. This van has DC to DC alternator charging, so your batteries will charge while you drive, and it also has a shore power plug so you can plug in to any standard outlet. So thank you so much for joining us today on this tour of the 158 Romeo van. If you are interested in purchasing or checking it out, please go to our website, vanlifecustoms.com/Romeo, to look at those, or if you want to chat about a custom conversion or anything else, please reach out to me. My name is Katie at Vanlife Customs.
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram, and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, coming out soon, we have a course. The course releases in December, and if you sign up now, you get early access and a discount. The course is really in depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water, and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course, we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.